Welcome back everyone. Today I have got an exciting topic to explore, and that is how to add leading zeros in Excel using 8 different methods. And in this video, we will begin with first two methods designed for entering new data with leading zeros, which is useful for those who want to ensure that their data includes leading zeros right from the start. And after that, we will dive into several other methods that are useful for adding leading zeros to the existing data without altering the original values. So no matter what your Excel needs are, we have got you covered. Alright, let's start with a straightforward method by using quotation mark. Start typing a single quotation mark, and when you precede a number with this apostrophe, Excel automatically recognizes it as text. This simple trick ensures that any leading zeros which you enter will be retained like this. Okay, moving ahead, next method is changing the format of the cells to text. Suppose you need to enter the data in Excel and you want to make sure that any leading zeros are retained. Here is what you can do. First, select the range of the cells where you plan to enter your data. Let's highlight this range with some color. Then go to the Home tab, and in the numbers section, select the text option from the drop down. Now any numbers which you enter in these cells will be treated as text values like this, ensuring that leading zeros won't disappear. Moving ahead, next method is using the custom number format. This method is incredibly handy because it can be used in two scenarios: for entering new data with leading zeros and for adding leading zeros to the existing data without altering the original values. Suppose you already have this data in your spreadsheet and you want to add leading zeros without changing the original values. First, select the cells containing this data. Additionally, select few more cells that will be used when we enter new data. Let's highlight this as well with some color. Now access the Format Cells dialog box using one of these methods. You can right click and choose Format Cells, or you can click the arrow icon in the Numbers section on the Home tab, or the best one is using the shortcut key Ctrl+1. Now in this Format Cells dialog box, select Custom from the list on the left. In the Type field, enter the number of zeros which you want to match the total length. For example, to ensure a total length of 6 characters, you can use 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 as the custom format. Click OK to apply the custom number format. So you see that your existing data now has leading zeros as needed to match the specified length while preserving the original values. Also, any numbers which you enter into these cells will always have leading zeros like this, ensuring a consistent and professional look. Alright, next method is using the text function. Imagine you have this column of numbers and you want to add leading zeros to all these values. Here is what you can do. In a new cell, enter the formula equals to text, then enter the reference of your numeric value, comma, then enter the number of zeros of your choice and press enter to apply the formula. And that's it. Please note that the number of zeros which you entered represents the total length of the numeric values. Now just drag this formula down to the other values like this, and finally copy all the cells and paste them as hard-coded values. Moving ahead, like text function, we can also use base function to add leading zeros. Simply type the formula as equals to base, bracket open, enter the reference of your numeric value, comma, then enter 10, which indicates the base of your original number. Typically it is decimal in our case. Then comma, and finally specify the number of digits you want, including leading zeros. And that's it. The base function has added leading zeros as required. Again, you can just drag this formula down, copy all the cells and paste them as hard-coded values. Alright, we also have one repeat function which we can use to achieve the same results. Simply start by typing REPT, open bracket, then enter the text you want to repeat. In our case it is 0. Next, specify the number of times you want to repeat the text. Suppose I want the final length of the number is 8 characters and original number has 3 digits. Then I need to add 5 leading zeros, which I can put it as 8 minus the original length. Finally, append these leading zeros to the original numbers using ampersand symbol. And that's it. Now just drag this formula down to the other values like before, copy all the cells and paste them as hard-coded values. We can also use write function to add leading zeros. With this approach, you can concatenate a string of zeros to your number and then trim off any access characters using the write function. The write function is designed to extract a specified number of characters from the right side of the text value. Here is how the write function works. Equals to write. Enter the text from which you want to extract characters. Let's put an original text and comma. Let's enter 8 value. This represents the number of characters that you want to extract from text. So this formula has append multiple zeros to the beginning of a number located in this cell. Afterward, it retrieve and then it will return the rightmost 8 characters, effectively creating leading zeros in the output. And finally, drag this formula down to other values, copy the cells and paste them as hard-coded values. Now the last method is for those who are looking for an advanced solution, which involves using a VBA macro. VBA is Visual Basic Applications. This method is particularly useful when you have a large data set and want to automate the process of adding leading zeros to the existing data. Here is high-level overview of how it works. In your Excel spreadsheet, navigate to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic, or you can press Alt F11 from the keyboard to open the VBA editor. And in this, copy-paste this VBA code. Let's try to understand this code. We have effectively created a new function named as add leading zeros, and we will utilize this function to add leading zeros. Here in this function, we have 2 input parameters. The first one is a reference to the cell containing the numeric value where you want to add leading zeros. And this is the second parameter, which is the total length of the output string, including any leading zeros. Then we define a couple of variables. I as integer variable is used as a loop counter. Result variable will store the final resulting text string with leading zeros. And this variable calculates the length of the input numeric value when converted to a text string. And then we define for loop, which runs from 1 to the desired output string length, str_length. And inside the loop, it ensures that the output string has the desired length by adding characters from the input value when it is available, or appending 0 when needed to create leading zeros. And finally, the function returns the resulting text string with leading zeros as its output. After writing the code for it, let's close this VBA editor. Now you can use this custom function in Excel by entering its name equals to add leading zeros, then mention the cell reference, and finally put the total length of the output string including leading zeros. Let me add 8 here and press enter. Wonderful! This function has returned the formatted text with leading zeros. Now just drag this formula down to the other values like before, and finally copy all the cells and paste them as hard-coded values. So with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you found this information useful, and please show your support by liking and subscribing to this channel. And as always, happy learning. Thank you very much.